Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your text size in Snapchat. And by text size I mean this. So let's say I go to chat with one of my friend over here and I type something and the text size is small. So if I want to increase the text size, what I need to do is first I need to go inside my phone setting. From inside phone setting, I need to go inside control center. From inside this, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see text size. Once you see text size, right beside it, you're going to see a plus button. Click on it. After doing that, the text size is going to be added on your home screen just like this. As you guys can see, the double A means text size. Now what I can do is open up my Snapchat and then try to open up my text size. To do that, I need to swipe down from the top right corner of my screen like this. And once my UI screen opens up, I need to click on this double A. And over here, I can increase the text size, how big I want, how small I want. So I'm just going to go for the largest and make sure your Snapchat only is selected, alright? And change your Snapchat text size like this. Once you do it, you have basically done it. Now as you guys can see, if I type something, it is going to be typed just like this. So as you guys can see, my text size has just been larger over here, as you guys can see over here. So yeah, that is how you guys can increase your text size in Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.